Hey everyone, Manuela Marchegianni from Isomers Skincare, and welcome to our channel. This is a channel where we talk about skincare, skin ingredients, formulation. I'm a cosmetic chemist with over 35 years experience in formulating skincare, anti-aging skincare, and problem-solving skincare. Today we're going to look at the best anti-aging skincare routine in your 20s. When you're in your 20s, it's the perfect time to start a decent skincare routine. I know you really haven't started to see the visible signs of aging. You're probably still having some breakout or some issues with the skin, but the 20s is a really good time to start a good skincare routine. And a good skincare routine usually consists of cleansing, moisturizing, and sunscreen. Those are like your key builders of all your skincare routines from now and forever. Really, you've got to think about that as your foundational element. You're going to do something that's going to cleanse your skin, and then depending on your age and your stage, we're going to figure out what kind of cleanser you need, or even if you need double cleansing. Then you want to deal with moisturizing your skin, keeping moisture in your skin, making sure your skin is soft and supple. And then there's going to be an aspect of protection, which is sunscreen. And that's really important for daily skincare usage on your skin. So in your 20s, what's really important is, yes, your skin is young. You are probably at the point where, especially the early 20s, you have a bit of dullness in your skin. Maybe you've got some breakout or old breakout and your skin is starting to normalize. So along with the routine of cleansing, moisturizing, and sunscreen, what you might want to consider incorporating daily or every other day are going to be is going to be an exfoliation step. So it's either going to be an AHA, an alpha hydroxy acid, a BHA, a beta hydroxy acid, or even a retinoid, and that is a vitamin A derivative. These ingredients, or this type of action is very good for in the 20s to really get that cellular change, the cells turning over, so you're able to brighten up your skin, you're able to clear up your skin. If you have oily skin, enlarged pores, a tendency to break out, you're going to really go more towards the BHAs, the beta hydroxy acids. And this is why. Unlike an AHA, okay, an AHA will exfoliate or remove the cells on the surface, right? And it's very water loving, to put it in a very simplistic term. Your BHA is oil loving. And what it likes to do, the salicylic acid, is it likes to go onto the skin, but then it goes into the skin follicle, and it basically dissolves or melts those lipids. So when you're looking at your pores, and you've got these enlarged pores and they're filled with sebum, which is a type of skin oil, and also they turn into blackheads or they turn into pustules or whatever, all of that that's filled up in there is basically an oil sebum base. The beta hydroxy acid has the ability to dissolve it, to liquefy it. This is important because when it liquefies it, it makes it very liquidy, and it can then release through the pore, through the follicle, and that's going to help regulate your skin. So not only is it going to help with the cell turnover, it's going to help tighten your pore or make the pore look less visible or less full and cleaner. So in your 20s, the idea here is get the foundation for a good skincare routine. Take a look at your skin if you're oily or dry, and then use the right exfoliant, your alpha hydroxy acid or your beta hydroxy acid. I really like, for example, the Simple Science elements that we have for the beta hydroxy acid. That's a really good product that's going to be able to target the enlarged pores and the oiliness. And then you're going to want to have a routine that always and every day includes a sunscreen. Start your sunscreen habit early. That really saves your skin long term, right? And having sunscreen in your foundation really isn't enough, right? You need to have your own separate sunscreen that you're going to use outside of your makeup, if you're wearing makeup. But this is really for your 20s, where you should begin, what you should be looking for, and enjoy.